what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making a delicious Agua de Pepino, which is also known as cucumber water, in our Ninja Foodi blender. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. But we're going to go ahead and dive right into making this delicious summer water. Alright, so what we're going to need today are 5 cups of water. You'll want them separated because we're going to start with 2 cups of water in the blender and the remaining cups will come after. You will want 2 cucumbers. You guys, these cucumbers were as big as my head, so that's why I'm using 2. If they're smaller, do 3. And then you'll need half a cup of lime juice and a 1/4 cup of sugar. So we're actually going to start with blending the water, the cucumbers. Let's see. Let's actually add our water first. So I added the 2 cups of water. We're going to add our cucumbers. They're already sliced and peeled. And your lime juice. Okay. And our sugar. Alright. Okay, so we're going to start by turning on our blender and doing blend on medium. Alright, so we want to blend and make sure that it's smooth. So next we're actually going to blend and blend it on high. Okay, so now we have it blended. We're going to add our water. This is where I always spill, you guys. Okay. Okay, we're going to add our cucumber mixture. Put this to the side. Alright, we'll be back. I'm going to add it. Alright, sorry guys, doorbell ring. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our cucumber mixture to the water. Smells delicious. Okay. And with a spoon or a whisk, you can just mix it all together really quick. That's it. We're gonna go ahead and do our taste test. Alright, and that is it. Had to get the thumbnail, you guys, but that is it. Our cucumber water. We're gonna go ahead and taste it. So refreshing. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. We have a playlist with a bunch of waters that we are making in the Ninja Foodi blender, so be sure to check that playlist out on my channel. And if you're interested in any of the items, check the description box below. But until next time, you guys have a great night.